Welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and today in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily insert and format time in Excel. It's really very simple. So let's go ahead and show you. You'll be able to use this knowledge from today's video for more advanced operations with time values. It is important to understand that Excel works with time data and stores it in a special way. Therefore, we need to have the cell formatting set up correctly. If we are inserting a time value, we need to have the formatting of the cell set to contain the time information. We will use the following table as an example. Using it, we will show how to record the working time, when we started and when we finished. In the next video, we'll explain and demonstrate how to total these hours worked. We will mark all these cells. Once we have the cells marked, we'll right-click. A table will be displayed. Click on Format Cells. Select Time. Now select the time format. We have several time formats to choose from. For us, the most suitable format is AM/PM. Down in the locale, the list, we can also select the time for the country we need. We choose English, United States. We click on the button OK. To enter the hours worked. Format the cells the same way, we will just choose the normal time format. In order for the value to display correctly, we need to enter the time correctly. We will show how to do this. For example, we enter the number 9 and insert a colon. Then we enter the number of minutes. We enter 30. Press Enter. Excel has automatically changed the entered value. In this way, we can also enter the time when we are finished. For example, we enter the number 14, enter a colon, and 2 zeros. We press Enter. Excel has converted the time into PM format. We are done. If you want to learn how to correctly calculate the number of hours worked, watch our next video where we briefly explain this procedure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or like. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.